Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liesl, and I'm here today with some adorable DIYs that you can use for jewelry, or you can really use it for whatever you want, whatever you can find use for it. And we made an adorable necklace holder and an earring holder, and you would never guess what these things started out as. So if you'd like to see how to make these, just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna get started. These are all the things that you're going to need to make both of these DIY projects that go together beautifully, and it's going to be the cutest accent for your bathroom or your vanity, wherever you want to keep it. And one of the funny things that you're going to need is a splatter screen. And I know it's kind of weird, but trust me on this, it's going to be awesome. So I'm going to take this splatter screen and I'm going to spray paint it this rust kind of coppery color, and I think it's gonna be so beautiful. So we're gonna spray just the splatter screen. You don't have to worry about the handle because the handle is gonna be hidden. So we just wanna basically cover from like here up. Then I'm going to take my cactus, which is just a wooden cactus from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to tape off the bottom of the cactus so it doesn't get overspray, and I'm gonna paint the bottom plaque part of it copper so that it matches the splatter screen. And everything that you see here either came from Dollar Tree or it was only $1 at like Walmart or something. These paints that I have were leftovers from a different paint project that I did. So really any paint that you want to use is fine. I just had it on hand, so I figured I would use it. So we're gonna take this and this, we're gonna tape this off, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna spray paint it. And it's freezing today, so I'm not gonna film it because I just wanna get out, spray paint it, and come back inside. And this painter's tape I got at the dollar store, so it was only $1. And then, find the end. Where is it?
I keep thinking that I found it and then I haven't. Oh, okay, there it is. I'm fine, it's fine.
And this isn't crucial because you are going to paint the cactus part of it. So I guess depending on what color of spray paint you end up using, you might need to tape it off. So just in case you can't paint over it and it's too dark, then you can tape it off. I'm just taping it off because I'm just OCD like that. So I'm going to take my cactus and my tape, and then you can put the two pieces of tape together, and that tapes off your cactus. So now we're going to go outside and we're gonna spray paint just the bottom part of it, and then we're also gonna spray paint the splatter screen so that we are ready to go on to the next step of our project. Okay, so I'm back and they look so pretty. I love the copper color. I think it's so beautiful. I never really got on the copper train when it was like super huge that everyone wanted like everything in their house to be copper. I was never like on the train, but when I saw this color, I was just like, oh, it's too beautiful. And it's technically a desert, it's called Desert Rose Gold is the shade. And I was wrong in saying that everything in this video was $1 because this spray paint that I got was not $1, but it was still pretty cheap, and you can find cheap spray paint really anywhere. So whatever color you go with is fine. This is just the one that I chose. I did end up getting a little bit of overspray on my cactus. I probably should have taped it up more, but it's fine because we'll just paint over it. And this is pretty much done. We'll assemble this in its little vase and stuff later, but we're gonna move on to our cactus. We're gonna start off with our green, and this is from Apple Barrel, and it's the shade Bright Green. I wanted it to be really vibrant and really fun, so I got a bright green color. And then, like I said earlier, I had these random little paints left over, and we're gonna use one of the pinks for its rosy cheeks, and then probably use this color for some stripes on the cactus. Oh, it's so cute, you guys, oh my gosh. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take one of these sponge brushes and I'm just gonna start painting. And you can get paint at the dollar store. I have gotten paint there before. They just didn't have as vibrant of a green as I was wanting, so that's why I didn't stick with the paint from the dollar store. And when you get down to the bottom, Just try to get it as close to the base as possible without getting it on the base. And if you get a little bit on there, it's not the end of the world. I know I say that all the time, it's not the end of the world, but some people just freak out so much about the smallest things, and I'm just like,
it's fine. You're gonna live.
And make sure to paint the edges of the cactus too, because you'll be able to see that. It is gonna be hard to get into the crevices in between the, what are these things called? Branches? They're not branches, because it's a cactus, it's not a tree. Well, is a cactus a tree? Is it a plant? Is it a succulent? I don't know. Give me all of your knowledge on cactuses in the comments down below. And it's looking so cute. You don't have to go as vibrant as I'm going. You can do a really pale green if you wanted to. You don't even have to do green. You could go edgy and paint it a different color. I just liked the idea of the green against the copper color. I figured it would be really pretty. Okay, so this is it with one coat of paint, and you could leave it at this if you wanted to. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here is where I had the overspray. So I am gonna do 2 coats just so that that is covered completely, because I don't want that to be showing through. And in the meantime, while we let that coat dry, we're gonna get our earring holder together. And this is super easy. All you need is a vase of some sort. I got this one just because it was tall and skinny, and it would work really great for what I'm doing with it. And you can peel off the sticker if you want. You don't have to. It's just gonna be sitting on the table, so it doesn't matter. And then I got these, I don't know if they're not aquarium rocks. It's crushed glass. So it's in the crafting section at Dollar Tree. I got the green so that it would kind of go with the cactus feel. And we're just going to fill up the glass. And if it doesn't fill it up all the way, I have a plan B. Stick that in. Okay, so it did settle just a little bit. So I have a plan B. I got these white rocks for another DIY project that we're going to be doing in the future, but I can always get more, and these I had on hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out carefully, and I'm going to dump most of the glass back in, and I think I'm going to layer it. So we're gonna put that much green, then we're gonna put, then we're gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna open up these rocks. Okay. This is very difficult. Okay. We're doing it, you guys. We're doing it. Okay, so now we're gonna add more green, and make sure that this is like centered as you put them in so that they fall to the right angle, because you can move it after the fact, but it's gonna be kind of tricky. Maybe I'll just do this. Why didn't I think of that? Because that is a lot more work, that's why. Okay, and more green.
Yeah. Yep, that just happened. It's fine.
I'll get the stuff off the carpet later. You just want to make sure that you cover up the base of the splatter screen so you don't see it. Okay, so there is that. Doesn't that just look so cute and so fun? And this is what you're gonna put your earrings on, and it's adorable. I love it. Now we are going to put our second coat of paint on our cactus. And it does dry much darker than it goes on, so that's just a heads up. Because I was a little worried. I was like, ooh, this is gonna be a little vibrant, but I think it'll be perfect. And it does have like some of these jagged edges, so if you want to, you could probably sand that down before you get started. I didn't think about that, but if I were to do it again, I probably would sand the edges down. And I had to kick Mango out of this project because he was going to be up on the table and getting all up in the paint, and I did not want to have paw prints all over my house. Okay, so that is all done. We're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna paint on all of the super cute accents that we're gonna put on it. You can leave it completely as is if you want. You can leave it plain, just like this, green with the copper base or whatever color you choose as your accent color, and make it super simple and easy. I, however, am extra. So I'm gonna paint stripes, and I'm gonna possibly paint a face. I haven't decided yet if I wanna paint a face on it. Okay, so our cactus is dry, and now we're going to do the details. And I think I've decided I'm not gonna do a face only because I can't decide exactly where I would put it. I don't know if I would center it like right here, and I don't know if that would look weird if I did a face, so I'm just gonna do the stripes, and then if I wanna add the face later on after it's sat in my bathroom for a little bit, then I'll add it, but at least for now, I'm not gonna worry about it. And I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna paint stripes. It's really not anything crazy specific or anything amazing that I'm doing. I'm just painting stripes on my cactus. Okay, so there is our cactus. I think it looks super cute and fun, and you can add more details. You can add dots on it if you want, white dots. You can add a face. Really, you can do whatever you want with it. I think I'm gonna leave mine the way it is for now, at least. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's so easy, and it's completely customizable, as all of my projects are, and I think it turns out super cute. You guys will be able to put your jewelry on this, your necklaces on this one, your earrings on this one, have plenty of room to keep your earrings, so you
never lose them like I do, or leave them around your house like I do.
So anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope that you try it out. Make sure to tag me if you do at Little Liesl Creations on Facebook and Instagram. Let me know if you guys have any future video requests that you would like me to do, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!